are many a day when I feel like I'm in style limbo, and I'm sure you know this feeling too. You don't want to dress up too much, but at the same time you just don't want to look so boring. I'm going to make sure that never happens to you again. What's up everyone, I'm Levi Peters, this is Demetrius Levi, and today I'm going to show you 6 ways to elevate a boring outfit. If that sounds good, stick around. Let's say you're just wearing a plain t-shirt and some jeans. This may be easier to pull off this look if you're built like a Greek god.
Try to imagine him in his underwear. Oh no, he's hot!
But most of us are...
Really tall?
No!
not that well built. At least I'm not. I mean, I might be just talking to myself here, but whatever. Because even if you are well built, it can still be a boring outfit. So we're gonna elevate it with tip number 1 by wearing nice dress shoes. Dress shoes don't always have to be worn with a business suit or with dress clothes. And guys, women pay attention to the shoes. Trust me on this. They look from the bottom up. I know we don't, but they do. So if you're gonna impress the ladies and give them a good first impression, make sure your shoe game is on point, because let me tell you, you can tell a lot about a person by their shoes.
This guy's got shoes.
So I'm gonna take these double monks, for instance, with this plain outfit, and bang! Look at that! Looks totally different now. It's not boring anymore. There's something about it. Totally changed the look of this otherwise boring outfit and gave it just a bit more oomph. It looks more well put together while still staying true to its casual nature. You can do the same thing with shorts. If you're wearing shorts and a t-shirt, just pop on a pair of loafers. And you know what? I think it works. Tip number 2 is wearing a good jacket. If you're just wearing a t-shirt and jeans and it's a bit chilly out, just slap on a good leather jacket or an overcoat like this camo one right here. This is one of my favorite items to wear in the fall and the winter. I can wear it with a suit, but it's just as comfortable with a t-shirt and jeans like this look right here. Jackets are the best. I love them.
This jacket has completely changed my life. When I leave the house in this, it's with a whole different confidence. Like tonight, I might have been a little nervous, but inside this jacket, I am composed, grounded, secure that I can meet any social challenge.
But let's say it's the spring or the summer, or you live in an area that's really warm and you don't want to wear an overcoat.
Either wear the leather jacket, which I know you hate, or this.
Well, that's where tip number 3 comes in. That's wearing a suit jacket. You can totally use a suit jacket for more than just work, and you can wear it with a t-shirt and jeans, or even with a polo shirt. It doesn't always have to be paired with a dress shirt, and don't listen to anyone that tells you that it has to be. I can't stand it when people insist on suits being purely for business. It wasn't like that in the past, and as sure as Schwarzenegger isn't gonna be like that today. Stop it!
Stop that! Stop it! That's not like it! That's really what the body's supposed to look like!
If your suit feels too formal, then just wear it with a blazer or a sport coat.
Okay. Boy, look at that.
That looks great, huh?
Unconstructed jackets work great for this, for that casual vibe, because there's no padding in the shoulders. And that's what really makes suits look the most formal, is how stiff it is and how much it makes your shoulders look bigger. So if they're just a normal natural shoulder, your silhouette looks like you're wearing any other jacket that's not a suit jacket. So if you want to look even more laid back and casual, just go with an unstructured jacket. And there you go. You're good to go.
There you go.
Tip number 4 is to add jewelry. Just by adding a bracelet around your arm or a necklace around your neck is an instant and easy way to just make your outfit pop. Rings can do a great job with this as well. It's small, but it makes the outfit just look more intentional, and it's a great and subtle way to make your outfit a little more stylish.
I have so much jewelry. I got more jewelry, and it's not even about the jewelry, because
Jewelry. What is jewelry?
You know what I'm saying? But
Which leads me to tip number 5, wearing a watch. This watch. No, actually, I'm not going to do that joke again. I already did that joke in the video all about watches and everything you need to know about them. So click that if you haven't already, because let's face it, watches are amazing. Stop it, phone!
Stop that!
Watches give people the message that you're on time, you're in control, and you're responsible. Even if you aren't, but It can also be a great accessory that can just add a bit more something to your forearms. The watch can be more subtle, or it can be more bold and can serve as a focal point for an otherwise very plain outfit. Something just to make it pop. And final tip number 6 is wearing a stylish pair of glasses or sunglasses. If you need glasses, well, you're kind of in luck because glasses can look super awesome. And people are loving them. People are wearing glasses when they don't even need glasses. They just get them without a prescription lens and bam, just because they love them so much. Pretty good. They can also make you look smarter, which is a bonus, even though I'm probably not fooling anybody. My black frame ones recently broke because I accidentally crushed them when I was unboxing some camera gear. Oops. So instead, I got these ones from GlassesUSA.com, and I absolutely love them. I think they're cool. They're kind of old school, and you don't see them too much every day, but I thought they looked pretty cool. But that's just my opinion. I like it. Now, I'm not sponsored by Glasses USA by any means. I just thought they were a really cool company. I was really impressed by them. And if you need a pair of glasses, I highly recommend them. I'll have a link in the description so you can go check them out. Even though I would love a sponsorship, so call me. The same can be said with sunglasses. If it's a real bright and sunny day outside, and just throw on a stylish pair of Wayfarers, or whatever they're called, or any other stylish pair of sunglasses, and bam, you're looking pretty crispy.
Extra crispy good.
So there you go. 6 ways to elevate a boring outfit. Hopefully with these tips, you won't be struggling so much on those casual days. Just implement one or more of these tips and you'll be looking good no matter what you wear. Well, maybe not every outfit, but most. If you like this video, smash that like button. Ooh, calm down. And subscribe if you haven't already. Also, hit that bell notification sign so that you'll be notified the next time I drop a fire video. Before I get going, just leave a comment down in the comment section below what one of these tips was your favorite. I'd love to know what you guys think about this because, as you all know, this is a group thing and we are in this together. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Kalimera e filimo. Oh my gosh. Really? Kinda does. Just give me like 3 more seconds. If you would have given me 3 more seconds, I would have been okay. Unleash your inner Arnold. We all have Arnold in us, Arnold Schwarzenegger, and he needs to come out sometimes.